Hey Burbank 6th graders, this is Mr. Huang. It looks like a lot of people have been making changes to the slide presentation for our graduation. So I just want to make sure that you're only changing your own background and not everybody's background. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Unfortunately, I cannot undo everything because it will undo all of your slide changes. So I'm going to ask everybody to go back to your slide and change the background the way you want it to look following this method right here. So if you look at my slide right now, I have two slides. One that has a background that everybody has due to somebody's changes. And then I have this one with a blue background. So I'm going to show you how to change just your background. So when you're on your slide, right click on the background and go to change background. Right here you can choose a color for your background. Let's say I go to yellow. Now I don't want to probably go to yellow because my words are yellow, but I have a white box, so that makes it okay actually. But if I change it to another color, you want to make sure you do not click add to theme, because look, right now I have a gray. If I click add to theme, it's going to change everybody's background to that light gray. So I'm going to hit cancel right now. And you see everybody's slide has that background. And it seems like that is the problem that has happened. So I'm going to go to undo right now. I'm going to go to file, edit, undo. And now you can see it went back to where it was before. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to change background. When you choose your image or color, make sure you just click done. When you do that, it only applies to your slide and it does not change the background of all the slides. So if I want to do a picture in the background, change background and add a picture, I can go to image and choose an image. I'll go to upload and let's find a picture. After it uploads, I can click done. Remember, just avoid clicking this button. You'll never click add to theme. You always want to click just done after you choose your image or choose your background color. Hit done. Okay, so I'm going to undo this again. So once again, make sure when you right click and change your background that you're only clicking done. Never click add to theme. That's it.